Hi, welcome to the GoSun Solar Kitchen, the test kitchen. Today we're going to cook rhubarb crumble. It's a beautiful sweet. It's the season for rhubarb as well. And it's in honor of Mother's Day and all the mums out there. Unfortunately, my mum's 5,000 miles away, so I'll be sending her the video and not the food. But maybe you can cook this for your mum using the GoSun Solar Sport, which is the particular model I'm going to be using today. In the oven at home, this would take less than an hour probably. And the ingredients are pretty much the same. The way to treat the solar cooker is view it just like your oven at home. I'll show you how to go about that. It's really easy and fun. So here we go. We've got in here some strawberries and rhubarb. It is a rhubarb crumble, but I add some strawberries as well to give it some variety. All we did in here was add a little sugar, about 100 grams. I'm not sure how much that is, maybe a quarter of a cup. So it's not too sweet, but because the rhubarb is really tart, you need to add some of that in. So here we go, mixing that up. And then for the topping, I have some flour and some butter that I just rubbed in to make the crumble mix. But if you like to add some variety, you can also put in some oats. So we'll do that and just mix it up. And I also ground up some almonds. You can say almonds or almonds, I don't know, it seems to be a thing now. So you can add those in as well if you like nuts, leave them out if you don't. I just like the variety it gives to the crumble. If you hear any background noise, it's because I'm in my back garden cooking today, my test kitchen, and my neighbour is out there busy working on their garden. And why not? It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So we're just going to give that a light mix up. This is the topping. And that's going to go brown and help with the delicious fruit inside. So we're just going to blend that together for a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Into my crumble now I'm going to put some lemon zest. And by the way, the volume of the fruit is probably about 1.5 pounds all told. I like lemon zest, it really freshens things up. And the juice of half a lemon goes in as well. And I don't know, I found some raisins in the cupboard. Great antioxidants, pop a few of those in. That'll just make it even more chewy and delicious and decadent. All right, another little stir of that. Okay, pretty easy. Now, come to our solar oven. This is the Sport tray, the tray that goes into the GoSun Sport. Again, it's just like your oven at home. Don't preheat this, I'll show you in a moment. But as soon as you put this out in the sun, the temperature will rocket. This will get easily above 350 degrees, which is what this recipe calls for. And I think it'll take about 45 minutes or so. But once it's in the oven, just like your oven at home, just leave it, go do something else, have a glass of wine. In fact, after this recipe, I'm going to make a drink, because I want one. All right, let's put the fruit inside the tray. I've used a tray liner here. GoSun does sell this tray liner specific for the Sport. It helps with the mess if you don't like clearing up. So I thought I'd use it to show you what it's for. You can buy that online at gosunstove.com. Okay, let's load the fruit up. We're probably not going to use all of the fruit or all of the crumble topping, so we could do this in 2 batches. And if you buy the GoSun Pro Pack, it comes with an extra cooking tray, so you could have an additional one on standby. But, you know, this is more than enough for your mum, unless you've got several mums, and you may well have. Okay, let's keep this going in here. Let's get some more rhubarb. Everyone's out today. It's such a beautiful spring day. Don't forget Mother's Day in the United States, of course, is May the 17th. Mother's Day in the UK is already gone. Oh, May the 13th, not May the 17th. May the 17th in my head for some reason. All right, let's pop the crumble on. This is the topping, of course, with our oats, our flour, our butter, and some almonds, or almonds, or almonds. Pronunciation doesn't matter. The main thing is you get them in there. All right, this is going to make a delicious topping. Put plenty on there. Don't worry about the mess. And of course, on Mother's Day, you clean up the mess as well. You cook and clean up the mess. Let Mum relax and enjoy. All right, it was really that easy. All we're gonna do now is slide this into the GoSun Sports solar oven. Let's go across there and do that. So as I said, we don't preheat it. Just open up the legs, hook the handles, secure, and then simply, this is how you turn it on. It's on. There's the sun. I'm probably gonna have to move the table around in about 10 minutes or so. I'll do that off camera, but obviously you wanna have this in full sun. It works faster. Just direct it towards the sun approximately. The reflectors trap all of the sun's rays, of course, and this is how we get the heat. So we're just gonna slide that in there perfectly. Okay, done. We're gonna go make a drink now and pop back and see that later. Okay, so our crumble's ready. Looks and smells delicious. Time to go and serve up and eat and enjoy. So let's put some of this in here with that beautiful fruit. The rhubarb, the strawberries have all gone down into kind of a jam. We've got the parchment paper in there for easy cleanup. And as a special treat, we've got some ice cream to serve it with. And I'm sure that if you gave that to your mum or your loved one for Mother's Day, they would say, thanks very much, I love you too. So let's get in here with a bit of the ice cream, some of the fruit and the crumble, take a taste. Very hot. And very delicious. The tartness of the rhubarb, the sweetness of the strawberries, and the crumble contrast makes that a delicious dessert. So try it, use the GoSun Sport, nice and easy. Happy Mother's Day.